Overview. BMW's Leader Express is going electric with the average size 2024 i5 car, which will fill the hole between the 10 best honor-winning i4 and the extra premium i7 lead. Like those two EV4 entryways, the i5 is supposed to mix driving joy with upscale common luxuries. Two powertrains are coming, beginning with a back-drive eDrive 40 model with 335 pull. The double-engine M60 xDrive supports pull to a heavy 590 horses and gives all-wheel drive foothold. The i5 faces a developing number of medium-size extravagance electric vehicles made to court rich purchasers searching for eco-accommodating decisions. Among them are the beginning electric G80 and the Mercedes-Benz E, as well as Porsche stalwarts, for example, the Porsche Taycan and the Tesla Model S. EV engine, power, and execution. Two i5 models are offered, beginning with the 335 horsepower eDrive 40, which drives the back tires by means of a solitary electric engine. A more blazing M60 xDrive model includes a subsequent electric engine, the front hub for a joint 590 horsepower. BMW says the more remarkable of the two powertrains can rocket the i5 to 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds, which from our seat of the pants assessment appears to be very much authentic. M60 models likewise accompany dynamic enemy of roll bars, an energetic suspension tune, more extensive tires, and back tire guiding, which are undeniably expected to give the vehicle a more athletic feel. Range, charging, and battery duration. The 84.3 kWh battery pack lies underneath the i5's flooring planks, which BMW says holds sufficient charge to drive the eDrive 40 model for 295 miles between charges. The double-engine M60 model is less proficient and conveys an expected scope of 256 miles for each charge. The vehicle's battery pack can be connected to DC quick charging stations and is supposed to be equipped for charging from 10 to 80% in a short time on such an association. Talking about charging, BMW will incorporate 3 years of free 30-minute charging meetings at Electrify America accusing stations of each new i5. The EPA hasn't delivered efficiency gauges for the 2024 i5 yet. For more data about the 5 Series efficiency, visit the EPA's site. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The i5's lodge is similarly basically as open and opulent as that of the fuel-controlled 5 Series. The battery doesn't meddle with lodge space, yet trunk space is somewhat less liberal here than in the 5 Series. Cowhide upholstery is as yet accessible, yet BMW is sending off another false calfskin upholstery called Veganza in the i5. A bunch of glass inside controls is likewise accessible and adds a tasteful touch to the car's lodge. Warmed and ventilated front seats with need are discretionary on the eDrive 40 and standard on the M60 xDrive. The i5's dashboard is overwhelmed by an enormous, bended board that consolidates a 12.3-inch computerized check show as well as a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen. BMW's most recent eDrive 8.5 connection point is not difficult to utilize and can be refreshed through over-the-air updates should the need emerge for that. A head-up show is discretionary, yet all models accompany Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, in-run route, a remote cell phone charging cushion, a Harman/card and sound system, and an installed Wi-Fi area of interest. Guarantee and maintenance coverage. The i5 comes standard with similar guarantee inclusion as BMW's other electric models, and that implies fundamental inclusion for a considerable length of time or 50,000 miles and more liberal insurance for the electric vehicle parts. All new BMWs likewise accompany a 3-year free upkeep plan. Restricted guarantee covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain guarantee covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. EV parts guarantee covers 8 years or 100,000 miles. Free support is covered for quite some time or 36,000 miles.